it's Gummy, and today I'm going to be opening this package from Onesies Downunder. I'm so excited because the only Onesies Downunder things I own is this onesie, so I'm really excited to add more stuff to my collection from them. And let's get it open. It's a bag inside a bag. Let's get the second bag open. Whoa! This is packed with stuff, you guys. Like, can you see this? Packed. Okay, so I'm just gonna pull out what's on the top here. Oh, it's so cute! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, this is a cute little bear one, and it's yellow, which I've been trying to get more yellow lately. Open it. It's so cute. This is a little peekaboo onesie. Oh my goodness, it's so cute in person. Do you guys see this? I love it. I got to try all these on. Oh my goodness, I love that little. It's so cute. The next one is this little bunny. I think this is the nightgown. Yes, this is the nightgown. Look how adorable it is. It's like a really pale pink color. That is so cute. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Okay, next one. I'm not gonna look this time. What's this? Oh, this one I don't recognize. Ooh, this one looks like a mermaid. Oh, it's the ruffle one. See how it has a ruffle bag? It's a ruffle back one. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? And it looks like mermaid scales. Isn't that so pretty? I love it. That's so cute. Okay, next one. Ah, it's a dinosaur nuggie. So cute. Okay, let me see. Wow, you guys, look how cute that is. This is dinosaur nuggets with ketchup. Oh my gosh, and there's broccoli. That is so cute. So cute. Oh my goodness. I think there's one more thing here. Ah! I'm so excited. This is our new one. Ta-da! Oh my gosh. This is our new dress ones that they released with Peekaboo ones. Look how cute. Oh my goodness, these are so cute. Thank you so much to Onesies Downunder for sending these. And do you guys want these individually reviewed? Please let me know. Oh my goodness. I have left a link for you guys in the description below. You can go check it out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye, my little gumdrops.